The main problem is that the conference calls have resembled comic acts on Saturday Night Live asterisk. I mean, you don't get any guidance or communication whenever you need it since you haven't had a CFO since Zach departed in August. Look, this was a crucial conversation where Musk and the rest of the team needed to take charge, but the people present also needed to provide some direction around pricing, margin pressure, and strategy. Trainwreck is perhaps a mild way to describe it. Get ready to be enthralled by Tesla's groundbreaking achievements, from their revolutionary breakthroughs in fully autonomous driving to their unrelenting dedication to sustainability and innovation. Tesla keeps pushing the limits of what the automotive industry can do. According to one analyst, Tesla's stock will hit $315, highlighting the company's potential for substantial growth and market leadership. However, the fun doesn't stop there. Come along as we explore the exciting changes taking place at Rivian, the new industry leader for electric vehicles. Focusing on eco-friendly design and efficiency enhancements, Rivian is establishing a distinct market niche in the field of sustainable transportation and enthralling audiences with its progressive methodology. Thus, take a seat back, unwind, and get ready to be educated, motivated, and amused. Please click the like and subscribe buttons before continuing. The future is here, and the possibilities are unlimited on asterisk Tesla stock news asterisk. Let's get started. Analyst Dan Ives forecasts that Tesla's stock will rise, reaching $315. Despite this optimistic view, Tesla's communication has recently been beset by issues, with some comparing its conference calls to asterisk Saturday Night Live asterisk parodies because the company does not have a CFO. This ambiguity has led to an 80% sell-off that is ascribed to communication problems rather than underlying difficulties. This may seem like a difficult time for Tesla viewers, but stay tuned as the company introduces more reasonably priced cars and advancements in autonomous technology. The story may change over the course of the next 6 to 12 months. For Tesla owners, it's a wild ride, and they take comfort in safer assets like Microsoft and Nvidia. But keep in mind that it has usually been a bad idea to wager against Tesla. Speaking of investments, well-known investor Cathie Wood recently bought $1.3 million worth of Tesla stock, demonstrating her continued large commitment on the company. The future of Tesla's growth is bright with regulatory clearances in Europe and the prospect of fully autonomous beta releases. However, the fun doesn't end there, so keep your hats on. Cathie Wood provides information about how innovation and economic change are intertwined. She makes a suggestion about a possible trigger that might drive Tesla's upcoming significant surge. Wood's analysis emphasizes how disruptive technologies, such as autonomous driving and electric cars, will play a crucial role in transforming transportation in the future. Investors are well positioned to profit from Tesla's sustained growth trajectory because they acknowledge the revolutionary potential of these products. In regulatory news, Tesla severs its connection with the Federal Chamber of Automotive Industries in Australia after being accused of lying about its carbon emission figures. In the meantime, Panasonic Energy is thinking about making more investments in Kansas to satisfy Tesla's growing battery needs. But things aren't always easy. A recent attack at Giga Berlin caused safety concerns and forced the company to suspend operations. Extremist organizations demanded the factory's demolition, endangering local populations as well as Tesla's business activities. Tesla quickly evacuated its employees to protect their safety, but the shutdown's financial cost is still rising and is now close to $1 billion. Some others are saying that things might not improve as soon as we would want. But in order to protect the rule of law and stop similar instances in the future, the administration pledges a strong response. It appears that Rohan Patel is assuming the position as Tesla's public relations spokesperson, providing insight into the circumstances behind Giga Berlin. He reassures the residents about environmental worries by pointing out how efficiently the factory uses water. Investors' eyebrows have been aroused by recent stock market events amid this flurry of activity. The financial industry has been shaken by Gary Black and Ross Gerber's decision to sell off their Tesla stock, which has sparked discussion and conjecture. Gary Black has a history of selling off shares, thus his most recent action has drawn special notice and raised concerns about how the One thing is certain, in spite of the market's turbulence and uncertainties, Tesla's unrelenting drive for innovation and growth is not slowing down. Gary believes that surpassing Wall Street's delivery forecasts will determine how well Tesla's stock performs in the future. Demand for Tesla's Model 3 is being driven by local incentives in China, despite volatility, suggesting that opinion may be about to change. Despite the volatility of Tesla's stock, astute investors may find opportunities amid it. It's evident that Dan, Kathy, Gary, and many other industry leaders predict a bright future for Tesla. Who else is as optimistic about Tesla? Asterisk seeking alpha asterisk is where our pals are located. It's not enough to merely watch Tesla's remarkable rise from the sidelines. Asterisk seeking alpha asterisk is your one-stop shop for Tesla bulls and those with an eye for finding the next big thing in the stock market. It provides the most recent information on Elon Musk, innovation, and Tesla's stock price targets. The greatest online source of pro-Tesla news is asterisk seeking alpha asterisk. Get to the truth without getting sucked into the mainstream media's anti-Tesla rhetoric. For a unique discount, click the link in the description. In other developments, manufacturing schedules will be impacted by Tesla's German plant's anticipated power outage until March 17. A main launch with enhanced motor performance is suggested by rumors around the much-anticipated Model 3 performance update. Although it appears more likely to continue with dual motors, Jay Leno hinted about a possible triple-engine layout. In the meantime, Tesla is moving quickly to strengthen its delivery team in China by increasing its hiring efforts. In one of the biggest auto markets in the world, demand for Tesla vehicles is still rising, and the business is putting itself in a strategic position to satisfy its consumers' expanding demands. With a strong emphasis on hiring more people, Tesla is well positioned to improve customer satisfaction and expedite delivery processes. Elon worries that governments may try to regulate AGI, which might be dangerous given the possibility of its concentration in the hands of a small number of people. Ursad adds his voice, stressing the subtlety of AI abuse and drawing a distinction between AGI and nuclear weapons. In order to avoid corporate monopolization, the discussion touches on democratizing access to AI. The discussion emphasizes the value of equal access to technology despite possible risks by drawing comparisons to gun ownership. Turning around, another specialist offers analysis on Tesla's stock performance and his approach to investing. When he considers how Tesla has changed since 2019, he notes shifts in the company's priorities, especially with regard to AI and autonomous driving. He highlights the value of having a strong core business, even as he sees promise in Tesla's AI endeavor. He acknowledges that it is difficult to reconcile Tesla's present trend with its growth expectations, particularly in the auto industry. Despite obstacles, he maintains a cautious optimism and weighs the worst-case possibilities while making investing choices. Tesla persevered in the face of early setbacks with the Roadster, Model S, and Model X, giving birth to the immensely popular Model 3 and Model Y. The bottom line, however, is that Tesla will not let the present difficulties stop it from pursuing fully autonomous technology. The business reaffirms its dedication to influencing the direction of transportation as it keeps coming up with new ideas and overcoming challenges. With every development, Tesla strengthens its position as a market leader in the automotive sector and moves closer to a sustainable and innovative future. Raising eyebrows, this expert criticizes Elon Musk's decision to approach the auto industry like a cash cow. He cites Tesla's handling of pricing and the creation of new cars as related problems. Investing in Tesla is riskier now than it was in 2019, since the gamble to prioritize ASD over expansion has not yet paid off. Looking back, he remembers a critical period in 2019 when forecasts of Tesla's demise raised doubts about the company's shares. However, Tesla overtook the skeptics and disproved their predictions. He reiterates Omar's remarks, highlighting Tesla's tenacity in the face of market volatility. On the street, however, Tesla's fully autonomous driving, FSD, capabilities continue to amaze onlookers with their smooth and natural movements. This state-of-the-art technology promises to completely transform how we drive and is a significant advancement in car safety and convenience. Expectations for broad acceptance and incorporation into daily life are growing as Tesla improves and broadens its FSD products. It is impossible to overestimate the POSIX waves.